सबटाइटल्स हैं क्या?
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what Daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, Daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them.
Who is he or who is child? Like it's a Eminem childhood or Eminem was born. I don't know what is he.
Tears, Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it. We gon'
Like he is talking about our childhood, like or born, what he facing or what he like.
do it.
talking
Laney
about
uncle's
his-
crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. We're all we got in this world. When it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking.
ये nice था. That's nice. Squirrels, twirls. पीछे करते हैं.
We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. We're all we got in this world. When it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up as daddy that he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way.
Daddy don't want to see like what
Your mother
he
and me,
trying
but things
to
have got so
tell.
bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then, of course, everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. No worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Oh भाई, that's nice. जो भी है ना, that's nice. It's really hit. It's really makes a feels. How I can tell? It's really feels like it's growing up. Little bit of back.
But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, Daddy's here to hold ya through the night.
I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside.
It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back one year when daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job was...
Guys, really this song, it's really going to like a little bit of fast, so I just trying to catch something, and if I'm catch then I can tell you. Otherwise, if I'm not catch, then I want to listen this songs like many of times, then I can catch some lines, some bars. Like if you liking this reaction, so don't forget to like channel, subscribe, or dropping a comment, because of it's lots of matter for me. So you can do like and also subscribe my channel for new reaction videos.
to
Okay,
keep the
so
food on the
let's
table
continue.
for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you could go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a flat, one-bedroom apartment, and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Novara. And that's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre, and flew you and mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on...
Yes, I'm already told you guys. Yes, I'm right. I'm already told you like it's all of Eminem's childhood story. after of how was he born, how was the situations of all of it, so he can try to like every situations, every details of our childhood, like to small to big,
The TV, and mom
like from being a child to a mature person or being a legend person who knows today for rap god. So that's a lot of, I mean, lot of compliments, a lot of
Mama didn't like it.
they-
You and Laney were too young to understand it. Papa was a rolling stone. Mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, I guess you pretty
like these video clips are going on in front of me in videos. I'm just thinking how he can shoot this, like everything is clearly explains something in insights. So how he can shoot like this, or for being a past of 10 or 12
jar.
years.
Daddy's still here. Laney, I'm
That's a
talking
huge-
to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, mama's only gone for the moment.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's
Oh
here
my
to
God.
hold ya.
I think police catch up the mom of Eminem, and now the police released the Eminem's mom, and now she came back to home, and everyone wants to do hugs
Through the night,
for
I know
mom.
mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya and make him eat every carat. Don't f with that.
So guys, reaction is over, and how I can tell you about this song, because this song belongs to a long lived story of Eminem's to being born new baby to from a legend, and because we already knows how Eminem goes in or rap. So if you like reaction, because it was my first time hearing, so I'm not like catching many of things, but if I can try to listening to songs many of times, so I can catch some bars, or I can catch or like some or real shit. So if you like this reaction, so don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, or also put a comment in section for suggesting me for or new reaction videos, or if you like then subscribe my channel. So this is over, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन में. तो तब तक के लिए ओके बाय.